You exceeded your current quota. Please check your plan and billing details. I faced this issue when I was working on my recent generative AI project. So, let's understand this issue and find out two solutions to resolve this issue. So, let's get started. I faced this issue when I was working on OpenAI API key. This issue actually tells us that you have exceeded your current quota. That means the API key which we were using has exhausted the quota which was given in your account. So, there are two ways to resolve this issue. One is a permanent and a paid way. Another one I would say is a temporary way to resolve it, but it's a free way. So let's understand the first way to do it. I'll go to my account for OpenAI. This is my account which I use to create my API key. We'll go to usage and see our API key usage. So our January budget was $5. I have exhausted everything. Right now, I don't have any API keys over here, so you cannot see it. But if you go to export, you can see that our budget ended on 23rd of January 2026. So I don't have any budget left. That's why I'm getting this issue. To start your services again, you have to choose one plan. So let's go ahead and choose a plan. We have two type of plans. One we have for individual, that is for solo developers. Another one we have for business, that is mostly for registered companies. So choose the one which you want. I would like to go for the individual plan. If you click on start, you will see add payment method, or you can directly go to the billing page. Here also you can add your payment details. You can add your credit card details and then click on continue. The amount which you set over here will be shown in the credit remaining. You can also choose your model, your plans for your use case. This was the first method which you can use to resolve the issue. Let's go to the second one. Second method, you log out to the existing account and you will log in with a fresh account to the OpenAI platform. This account should be the one which you have never used before. So log in with the Google account I have never used before on the OpenAI platform. This is the account which I have never used, so you will not be able to see any API keys or any history over here. If you go to the billing page, you will not see any amount over here, but for usage, you will see that we have $18 for our January budget. So you have a budget for this specific cycle. I'll go ahead and I can create keys over here. This key you can use in your existing project. Going further, let's copy this key and we'll use it in our project. I'll paste it over here and we'll try to rerun my program. So let's rerun it. I was successfully able to run my program without seeing any errors. So the issue was resolved.